I'm 60 years old. I'm a model and an actor. Yes, I walk the ramp for a living. Somebody who couldn't get up from the bed is now applauded for walking for all the top designers in the country. I was a normal routine government officer working with the government as a class 1 officer, and as it all, I was put into an arranged thing, what you say, marriage by my parents, but I wasn't cut out for that relation, and I had to face a lot because of so-called difference of opinion, for being the way I am, for being true to myself, and it was a grind which went on for 10 long years, with due regards to everybody. So I chose to walk out with my head held high and with my self-respect intact. But sadly, as it would happen, there was another soul involved in this, an innocent soul who called me Papa. And I'm sorry, I'm very emotional. When I had a little bit settled down in my life after all that trouble, this soul, innocent soul, came to live with me because his mother had passed away, and there was no other option with him but to come and live with me. And it was hardly 6 months of being together that this soul passed away. It was so shattering an effect on me that my entire life and my entire world went for a toss. I went into a deep depression because of this loss, and उसके चलते हुए मैंने अपना जॉब, जो कि बहुत कुशी जॉब था, बड़ा अच्छा जॉब था, मैंने वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट ले लिया, उसको छोड़ दिया, और मैं वहाँ से शिफ्ट करके, मैं चंडीगढ़ में रहता था, एंड आई केम ओवर टू माई सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर इन लॉ हु स्टे हियर इन गुड़गांव. ऐसे चलते हुए जब मैं पूरी तरह से अपनी ब्रदर इन लॉ और सिस्टर पे बोझ बन चुका था, वन फाइन मॉर्निंग, माई ब्रदर इन लॉ वॉक्ड इनटू माई रूम. ही लिटरली बस्ट इन. He threw open the door and came in, and he said, "Ke enough now, enough," because they are much younger than me. I had lived my life and they were trying to live their life, but मैं उनकी life को happen होने नहीं दे रहा था, because I was so dependent on them for everything. He said कि देखो, आपने अपनी life तो जी ली, खराब भी कर ली, जो हुआ वो भगवान ने किया, बट हमारे साथ जो हो रहा है वो आप कर रहे हो. आपका डिप्रेशन और आपकी सेल्फ डिफीट जो है वो हमारे साथ ये सब कर रही है. सो इफ यू वांट टू लिव विद अस एंड वी आर द ओनली पीपल यू हैव, तो प्लीज आप अपने इस डिप्रेशन से बाहर निकलो, reclaim your life back. Those words had such an effect on me. When he left the room, मैंने curtains हटाए, I looked at the rising sun and I thought, यार why not? क्यों नहीं कर सकता मैं ये? जो होना था वो हो गया. Those were laws of nature. जिन्होंने जाना था वो चले गए. मैं जीते जी अपने आप को क्यों मार रहा हूं? I told my brother-in-law, उसके रूम में जाके, पहली बार मैं अपने रूम से निकला 10 महीने के बाद, and I told him कि well, I am ready. जो कहोगे मैं करने को तैयार हूं. Take me to a dietitian because I just want, I'm sick of, carrying so much of weight on me. So I went to a dietitian, went on a diet for 6 months, and I shed the weight and came down to my present 80 kgs. The fitness came around, and मेरे घर के साथ एक जर्नलिस्ट रहता था. Like God was trying to open another door for me. उसने मुझे देखा and he said, what a transformation. तुम तो चल नहीं पाते थे और शक्ल ही तुम्हारी और थी, अब तुम क्या हो गए हो? So why don't you give me your pics before and after and I'll publish an article. वो आर्टिकल निकल गया. किसी ने, एक मॉडलिंग एजेंसी है दिल्ली में, उन्होंने मेरी फोटो देखी एंड दे रिक्वायर्ड समबडी ऑफ माई एज एंड माई लुक्स. तो उन्होंने मेरा फोन नंबर लिया उससे एंड दे गेव मी अ कॉल. I said, who are you? Why? No, I can't do this. Then again my brother-in-law, he said, you must go for the audition. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So he himself took me to the audition. There were 6 or 7 cameras and at least 50 people standing behind them. The moment I stepped in front of the camera, it was as if a new light shone on me. I felt a direct connection with God. This is what I was meant to be. And trust me guys, I've never looked back after that. सब लोग मुझे कहते हैं इस लाइन में तो बहुत पैसा होगा, इतना ग्लैमर है, सब कुछ है, वही आपको मोटिवेट करता होगा। बट आई टेल एवरीबडी कि अगर एक बंदा भी टेक्स अ लुक एट माई पिक और वो बेचारा डिप्रेस्ड है और उसको एक होप मिलती है लाइफ में कि इफ दिस फेलो कैन डू इट देन आई कैन ऑल्सो डू इट, दैट इज द रिवॉर्ड आई वॉन्ट, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग।